All right, class. We are ready to start. You guys ready? Yeah. All right, everybody sitting up nice and straight? Okay, now today's lesson we're going to actually talk about something called the rule of thirds. Okay, now the rule of thirds is very, very important in photography. We need to understand this. It's one of the most basic rules of all of photography. If you just learn this rule alone and you don't know, well, you already know angle and perspective. You already know fill in the frame. But if you know rule of thirds, your photography level is just going to go from here to here today. Okay? Does everybody understand that? Remember, as in all classes, we take as many photos as we want, but we only save our 3 favorites, and you show me your favorite one, and I will give you an honest opinion. If it doesn't look good, I'm going to say, look, it doesn't look good. This is what you might want to think of doing to make your composition stronger. Okay? If it's really, really good, I will say, oh my gosh, this is really, really good. And for the best photographers in this class, you get to make it into my phone, and I get to show other students your work in the 28 schools, 20-something schools that we work at. Does everybody understand? So, and you'll obviously earn a prize. All right? So let's go get into the rule of thirds of photography. Now, as up here, it says the rule of thirds states that as humans, we're human beings, right? Are any of us dogs? No. Are any of us cats? No. She's raising her hand saying she's a cat. No, but actually, you're a human being. Okay. So it states that as humans, thank you for your quiet attention, who view an image within a rectangular framework. By the way, whenever we take photos, and I will grab this for just 1 second. Whenever we take photos, we always take it, you notice it's in a rectangular box, right? So whenever we're taking photos within a rectangular frame, just like that, just place that there for right now, that to make the photo appear more aesthetically pleasing just means it looks, to make the photo look really, really good, what we're going to want to do is we should place our subject on or around 1/3 of the frame, okay? Either horizontally or vertically within the focal point being on or around the 4 focal points. Now, that's a lot of words there, but what it basically means is this. You will notice that whenever you're taking photos, as our program and all of the cameras are automatically set, we actually set them for you, that whenever you take a photo, it looks like this. You're going to see black lines. You won't see the blue dots, but you'll see black lines. How many of us see that whenever we are taking a photo? It should be everybody. Okay? Good, good. Okay. But whenever you take a photo, you notice those black lines aren't even there, right? You just see the photo. You don't see the black lines on the photo. Well, the reason we do that is that the camera automatically lines up the image using the rule of thirds. And what that means is this. Let me go ahead and draw another box, a big box up here so that you guys truly understand this important box. So we have our grid lines. Everybody say grid lines. And they run this way. Here's 2 of them, which run vertically or up and down. All right? What the rule of thirds states is if we place our subject on or around these 2 lines, it's going to look really, really beautiful. Do we all understand that? Did I say place our subject right here? Did I say place our subject right here, boys and girls? Did I say place our subject right here? No. Did I say place our subject right here? No. No. Okay? We want it on or around the vertical lines. So can we place our subject right here? Yes. Yes. Very, very good, Weston. Yes, we would want that. Boys and girls, can we place our subject? Let's see, I'm going to try to trick you guys. How about right here? Yes, on or around the one-third, the one-third vertical grid lines, okay, on or around it. Doesn't have to exactly be on it, but it just needs to be on it, kind of, you know, and it should look nice. Now these are vertical lines, but we also have horizontal lines which run in rows. So the first one we saw our lines run as columns, which go up and down. Now I'm just going to place those two horizontal line that run right and left as rows. You guys ready to do rule of thirds? We can do it like this too. So our subject has to be on or around 1/3 of the frame. Boys and girls, can we place our subject right here? Yes or no? Can we place it right here? No. Can we place it right here? How about right here? How about right here? Wow, you guys are good. Okay. How about, I got to erase this, erase all of this. I'll try not to. I'll try not to erase those lines. Thank you. All right. How about if I place the subject right here? Yes. How about if the subject was placed right here? How about if the subject was a triangle shape and was placed right there? Yes. How about if it was a square shape and it was right here? Very good. Well, okay. How about if it was a kind of a square and it was like right here? No. Very, very good. Give yourselves a round of applause. All right. Now I'm going to do something even more important. Now you'll notice in your cameras, you don't see just horizontal lines or just vertical lines. You don't just see that. You actually see both of those lines. You see both the columns or the vertical lines just like this. And you also see the horizontal lines, which run in rows, just like this. Okay? Now there are 4 very, very strong accent points. Everybody say accent points. The accent points will make your photography go from here to here, like even taller. These are the 4 accent points right over here. The closer that you get your subject to any of these 4 points, the more powerful your photograph will be. Thumbs up if we understand that. Okay, so we want it on or around these 4 points. So, if we look right over here, is this rule of thirds? Right here?
No.
Kind of, because yes, we do kind of have it on this third of the line, but if we move, like, it is kind of rule of thirds, but if I were to say yes or no, you guys are all right. It's not really. But if we move that triangle more to right here, is that more rule of thirds? Yes, a lot more. Very, very good. How about this? Is this rule of thirds? No. Okay, how about over here? Is that rule of thirds? Yes. How about over here? Yes. Who said yes? Very good. How about right over here? Yes. Very, very good. Okay, I'm going to give you a quiz. Let's see if you guys can do this. Somebody choose a shape. Raise your hand. Tell me what shape you like. Your favorite shape right now today. Yes? What's your favorite shape? What's the name of the shape? A circle. Okay. In fact, I'm going to draw a circle right almost a circle right here. Is that rule of thirds? Yes, it kind of is. It's really, really good. It's really good. It's okay. How about, somebody raise your hand, give me a different shape. Weston. Square. Weston, I'm going to give you this. How about a rule of thirds right here?
Yeah.
No, no. This is kind of more in the center, okay? And it's kind of more of a rectangle too. It's not really a square. So let's make it more of a square. If I said, is this rule of thirds? Here is what Weston said. Weston said, give me a square. Weston, I'm going to give you this square. You ready? Is this rule of thirds? No. No. All right. Somebody raise your hand. Give me another one. Yes?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. Upside down or right side up? Somebody raise your hand and tell me. Right up, right up. What? What did I just say? Right side up. I was going to say upside. I was going to say upside up. Okay, so right side up. So, sweetheart, is this rule of thirds or not? Let's go triangle right. I'm going to place the triangle here, and it's going to go here, and it's going to go here.
Yes, yes.
Yes, very, very good. Somebody give me another shape. Yes. Rectangle. Were you going to say rectangle? A pentagon, okay. Or an octagon. Okay, let's just do, what did you say, a rectangle? Let's say that this is the shot, and here is the rectangle, inside of a rectangle. Is that rule of thirds? No. This is filling the frame. Do you guys get it? Do you guys